We sit here as judges, we sit here as court assistants, we sit here as advocates representing various parties. I don't know who among us, once we take away the cloaks of the official roles we play, was proud as a Kenyan observing these events as they happened. I don't know who among us was proud now putting on the cloak of citizenship to watch these events unfold at that pace. Fortunately for us, my lords, my ladies, we have a judiciary of Honorable Richard Mwongo that arrested this process in its tracks to give the Constitution a chance to roar. In the far corners of Kerogoya. Fortunately for us, we have the judiciary of Honorable Chacha Mwita, His Lordship, that arrested this process to give the Constitution a chance. Today, you sit and I stand before the judiciary of Honorable Ike Ogola, Honorable Esim Rima, and Honorable Dr. Frida Mugambi, that has been invited by the respondents to undo that chance that the Honorable Mwita and the Honorable Mwongo gave the Constitution. We don't begrudge them for that invitation. Because under Article 48, they are entitled to come here and make that invitation. Our question is whether the judiciary of Honorable Ogola, Honorable Mrima, and Honorable Dr. Frida Mugambi will be baited by that invitation. That's our only question. Throughout these proceedings, we shall be looking at you in the eye to ask, will you fall for this bait, or will you stand for the Constitution? Having laid out our broad attitudinal view of this matter, allow me to address you now on the law and the jurisprudence of conservatory orders. In terms of textual prescription, in terms of the prescription of text of the Constitution, we will find accommodation for conservatory orders in two aspects of Article 23, Clause 3 of the Constitution. Article 23, Clause 3 says, in any proceedings brought under Article 22, a court may grant appropriate relief. So we find accommodation of conservatory orders in the use of the phrase appropriate relief. Because appropriate relief is wide enough to accommodate anything under the sun that is necessary to give effect to a right, fundamental freedom, or I dare say, any other provision of the Constitution. The second accommodation is in paragraph C of clause 3 of Article 23, which says, in any proceedings brought under Article 22, a court may grant appropriate relief, including, say, a conservatory order. Expressly,